What's up, guys? It is Christian Gamer TV 2928, and this is my puppet unboxing I got from Amazon. I don't know why it came in this little box. Guess it's because it's a Christmas special. I don't know, but yeah, I bought this from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description or whatever, so you could buy it. But yeah, before we start the video, please subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a like, a comment down below if you want any more, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So basically it's covered in tape. Oh, I kind of see the puppet. Alright. Let's see. Oh my god. There's no way. There's actually no way. What? Nuh-uh. Melissa and Doug. Tag says. Actually, no way. This is actually a pretty good puppet. My hand is right there. Oh wow, it actually moves really fast. So yeah, not that much. Like, it's just a fire puppet. You know, it has a little hook thingy, and then the hat, and then it has the hook hands. So yeah, that's all today. I mean, like, I'll put the link in the description if I can. So I totally recommend this. This is a great puppet. So yeah, did it come with armor? No, it does. It didn't come with armor on it. I think it should. It didn't come with armor with me. Anyway, yeah. So I'll put the link in the description in below right now. I love you guys, and I always will. Peace.